Hello guys, what's up and how are you all? I guess everyone is fine and they are having a very good time at their home. And since you are having ample time, I would request everyone to spend it fruitfully. I have already given you links of this NPTEL videos and you can watch that, and also you can use this time to update your knowledge and also to brush up what you have learned in the current semester. So, from today, I'll be starting the lecture series in the subject Advanced Manufacturing Technology from where we have stopped. Okay, and let me just check till where we have completed. We have completed till this ultrasonic machining, and now what is left is the electrochemical machining in the third module. Okay, so let's go straight to the topic electrochemical machining. ECM ECM or electrochemical machining. See, there is an abbreviation. You must also know that ECM. Sometimes in the question paper they may ask what is ECM in the abbreviated form. So you must know that this is electrochemical machining. So let us see what is it. So what is ECM? So as it reads, electrochemical machining is another machining process using electrical current to remove material from a workpiece, but it relies on the principle of electrolysis. So what have we learned till now in this unconventional machining process is that we have gone through various processes where there is no physical or direct contact between the tool and the workpiece. So in the ECM also there is no direct contact between the tool and the workpiece. We know that in the lathe or the shaper we have direct physical contact between the tool and the workpiece, but in all the unconventional methods that we have learned till now we don't have any physical contact. So here what is the principle? Here the principle of ECM is electrolysis. We might have heard about this term electrolysis, and we also know that in the electrolysis we have certain components like the anode, the cathode, and you have a container and you have an external circuit, and we also have a very important one which is a liquid in which the anode and the cathode are placed, and that is the electrolyte. So just mark it in your brain or mind that the principle of ECM is electrolysis.